Okay, over here, I create some random number to be used for my uh, chart. Okay, so you can see all these are random number. But I do not want the standard normal chart that you find inside here because that is too big. All right. So what I can do is there is this sparkline, as you can see over here. Right, there is this sparkline, which create a miniature chart. See, a miniature chart, and it actually fall into one single cell. Right. So if I can select all this here and I close it, it will create one small little chart inside one single cell, as you can see like this. Right. Of course, it will always fit inside the cell, as you can see, even if I drag it or I increase the size. Right, so it will still fit inside one single cell.